Hello, my friends. Welcome to daily meeting Neurolanche Labs. Today, we're gonna discuss about our Astar Strike developing side, also our AI developing side with Ahmet and Gustav and Franz. And also, I'm gonna give to them these meetings. I'm gonna join later, but they're gonna continue. Thank you.
Yeah, so we're developing a lot when on the Astar Strike side. We have we're gathering a lot of data that we can even show this after the presentation, but we're gathering data from all the things that we're making. The transactions that it's happening on the WebAssembly side, the EVM, also the contracts that we already made with them, with the Illuminate Studios. So we have a roadmap around like 5 months to improve on this, and also in the Freelancer side, we have we still to create our demo, but we're improving. We're trying to find use case also to fat contracts and the LF0 side, for example, for privacy and data usage, which is going to be very important to us. What else we can talk here, Ahmed and Franz?
Yeah, actually, we are on the new white paper for Astar Strike 2.0. Actually, its new name will be Ziki Strike, and we will use blockchain in Ziki Strike, Astar Strike much more. For example, the marketplace, the NFT store and marketplace will come after the update, not right now, but probably maybe within 1 or 2 months. And it's gonna be very good because after that it will be much more, then it will create a lot of activity for blockchain and for our game, because people then buy something for the game. Yeah, it will be like a live game environment for Astar Strike. Where we are right now, we are making a lot of updates here. For example, already we are supporting this Astar WASM Polkadot tech, and at the same time we are also supporting right now EVM. And with the Astar Ziki EVM, we will also support this Astar Ziki EVM side, the Ethereum L2s at the same time. So it will be like a very big environment. It will support actually maybe all blockchains, and we will use this account abstraction side also. And we will utilize our future Neurox token here. Actually, there are a lot of things, a lot of updates here in Astar Strike, the Astar Strike 2.0, and it will support more blockchains, but of course it will be more based on Astar Ziki EVM. And our game Astar Strike is playable with web browsers, but also it will support mobile. It will support the standalone versions probably in the future with the account abstraction side, and we will have a lot of game modes like for example, the red flag, and for example, our other game mode named the survival of Astar, probably, yeah. So it will be very good things here after the updates. Like we will have chess system, skin system, and the voice chat will be, and of course, after the updates, it will be a very good game. Actually, we are not just targeting Web3 users. We're also we want Web2 users or gamers to play our game, because we are here not just for the blockchain users, actually. We are here for everybody. And that's our philosophy here, to create our game, create our products.
Thank you so much, Ahmed. Actually, you explained everything very well. I mean, a few days later, we're gonna introduce our white paper 2.0. Actually, you saw here a lot of things about it. I mean, firstly, we're gonna focus to Astar VM. I mean, also accounts abstraction side, because we're gonna release our mobile integration soon. I don't remember, but it was at a couple months later. I mean, I think it is still in the stage 2 on developing side. And when we are developing this period, we are trying to finish everything in this period time. And also new map gonna come to Astar Strike in until February 17. Also, we're gonna fix all performance methods. Actually, we are trying to add more blockchain sites. I mean, Franze, maybe you can also mention this stuff in our meeting texting. Why we are trying to add also more blockchain site, to also use more blockchain site, and to show use case areas of the blockchain site on a game. But when we are making it, we are trying to make this stuff for the just people to show it. But people won't see this stuff when they're gonna play it. Because of what? Because of the to reach Web2 users. Actually, we are thinking to reach Web2 all users, because when we're gonna launch our mobile games on our mobile phones, I mean, people can download from the iOS stores and also Google Play Store, right, Ahmet? I am true. Hello, Ahmet?
Yeah, that's true. That's fully true.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like actually like a normal game, and also utilizing blockchain at the same time.
Yeah, actually, it is what Mythical Game is trying to make it, because they are showing to people to use case array of the blockchain. And
Yes.
still,
The
we are also
playthrough mechanics and the NFT mechanics, for the in-game assets.
Yeah, definitely, because in a couple months we're gonna have a NFT marketplace in our game. Actually, when people is using this NFT marketplace, also they won't see the blockchain site. Everything is still on the blockchain, but we're gonna hide this blockchain signing stuff on the behind, to also make more use case array. And we're gonna have the customization, our skins, also our all NFTs from our chess system. And we are thinking to use here maybe Remarkable standards, because I am sure Remarkable is also integrated AVM site, right? I mean, they're gonna integrate it to the ZKVM site, if I am not right. False.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, it is why we are trying to do this stuff, because we really want to create real games on the blockchain side. And finally, we are not worried about it, because we already started to build it. We signed our contracts, everything. We are still developing, and until middle of this year, everything's gonna finish. We wish. I mean, probably something gonna come later, but everything gonna finish until middle of this year. And on this process, we are trying to focus 2 different projects. One was our AI applications, one was our game project, because we launched this game a beta version. Actually, it was a demo version, and still we are developing more things for this game. Because of what? Because of the show real proof, we are continuing to developing our projects. I mean, because we have 2 different projects. Actually, it is a little bit hard to develop it, but I mean, we are working with different teams. Actually, we have a lot of team members in our team, and we are spending all this money from the dApps staking income. And tomorrow we're gonna show people also our dApps staking, or not tomorrow, but in a couple days, we can also share one document in the forum, also with our community, to show where is going to this dApps staking income. We're gonna share also this stuff, because we really wanna be proof everything. We want to be really transparent here. And also, why we are trying to make this stuff, because it is a blockchain, everything can change. Yeah, we have still a good power in our community, but we really need to be careful on this process, because okay, we are showing our face, but we have a team, and each team member has a human perceptions, emotions. On this process, we are just trying to build everything to be transparency, because as a Neurolanche, we are a blockchain company. We are not DAO, and here we need to control and make and control everything, and to show people everything transparent. It is why also we are focusing and we are recording all this video. And in a couple days, also we're gonna show what we are doing right now on our AI applications. We are still talking with one AI company, and probably we're gonna work with them, but everything is not sure yet. But we are thinking to work with them. Actually, we are trying to build it, but we can say we're gonna finish everything until this middle of the year, because everything can happen, but we won't stop our game project and also AI projects, because we have a very big treasury and we have a very good income from dApps staking, and it is meaning we have money to finish every developing phase. And I mentioned already, we won't make any fundraising, or token selling, like ICO, until finish our demo version, our AI applications. And we're gonna go to probably close fundraising, but we won't sell anyone one token. If you are angel investor, you can always invest, but we are an early blockchain company. You need to be careful, but we can show our old proof to make investing on us. Actually, Gustavo and Franz is also, we are working on the BizDev side with them. Also, we are working with the dApps. Actually, people is thinking, what you gonna do with dApps? We're gonna focus to ZK side with them, layer 2 side, accounts abstraction side, marketing side, for the global side. Actually, we are thinking to make everything is a very big. We are trying to make a very big project in a global site. We are not an NFT project. Actually, we are a blockchain company, and we are working to build something here. And we're gonna finish all this stuff. You can ask us why you are working too much, why you are doing a lot of things, because you have vision here. Sometimes, for example, Gustavo has a vision. Gustavo has different vision. Franz has a different vision. For example, when we started to build our game, we were trying to build our metaverse project, but also, on this process, we wanted to launch our GameFi projects because of to give utility for our NFT collections. And for example, when we were thinking it, Franz also was our co-founder, and also I tell Franz, and Franz, for example, say to me, "Hey Leo, we should focus to metaverse project, not GameFi project." But we discussed it and we make the voting system. Gustavo, you don't know it probably, but on this process, actually, we are thinking together. I'm not making anything alone. Actually, I am trying to make myself to lowest have control in our Neurolanche. For example, you can see I don't have any NFT in our collection right now. You don't know, because why we make it, because we, as a Neurolanche, Franz, please mention it too. As a Neurolanche, we are thinking to go to Franz. You are hearing me, right? Yeah, okay. Also mention it too. As a Neurolanche, in the couple months later, after launching our token, we are thinking to go to the decentralized side to make a more decentralized governance. It is why, for example, I don't have any NFT. Ahmet has a one NFT. Franz has maybe a couple NFT. Gustavo has a one or two NFT. I'm not sure. It is why we are doing it, because when we're gonna launch our token gonna manage from our Neurolanche NFT holders. Franz, you should definitely mention it, because of what? Also you can mention Leo don't have any. You can tell everything here. As a transparent, I mean, why, and explaining everything, why we are making it, because, you know, we started our project with these guys and we want to give them real utility, because this guy is also controlling our projects. You know, for example, sometimes they are asking questions, they are giving suggestions, and we are listening to them, because we are building not for us, we are building for this community. Neurolanche community, also Astar community. Actually, in Neurolanche, we are all communities coming from the Astar ecosystem, and we need to be also need to respect to Astar projects, you know, on this process. For example, yeah, as a Neurolanche, we have a big voice in the ecosystem, but all project is so important for us. And to be honest, it is why we are trying to make everything transparent, also to call in all projects to be transparent on this process, because, you know, we are using the community's rewards, because we are taking our rewards from the dApps takers, and these dApps takers coming from the Astar community. I mean, also we need to mention here, as Neurolanche, if we won't see any problem in the future, we never leave from the Astar ecosystem. We will use every time they are blockchain, and we will try to add more benefit to them. But I'm mentioning again, if we won't see any problem, because, you know, when you are building good project, you can see problems, but we are believing the Astar community, and Astar is definitely decentralized blockchain we wish. I mean, yeah, Gustavo, for example, let's back to our weekly schedule. Gustavo make today one thing for us, is it was a notion. If you shared your screen, Gustavo, probably it can help us, it can help us more than it. I mean, can you show something here, or it didn't finish yet? Hello, Gustavo?
Yeah, so I'm in my phone here, you know, but
I got you. You are still in your phone, but you shared with me already, right?
yeah, but I can try to access I don't know if it's gonna stop the recording.
No, no, no,
If
no,
I
no, no,
try.
no. Please don't make it. I am sharing already. Okay. I wish I can access with my Gmail on this Notion. I'm not sure.
No, I
Okay.
think it's open.
Yeah, it is open. Yeah. Okay. I am sharing the link. Screen.
Wait here.
Okay, I shared. Don't worry. You are seeing my screen right now.
Yeah.
Okay, here we are seeing the old strategy overview Neurolanche data. I mean, you are seeing here data contracts, and also you're gonna see here GitHub activities, business contracts, YouTube. Also, you're gonna see our white papers here. Also, you're gonna see our all developing activity here. On this process, we are making it to reach better to you for yourself. And as Neurolanche, we're gonna change our website again, and we're gonna make more better website, and we're gonna work on this process. I mean, we're gonna take help from the dApps. I mean, we already talked with them. Okay, guys. I mean, we're gonna change our website. I mean, we are thinking to work with this guy. Okay, let's also show the people. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna close my screen record to reach the how can I say to you, Discord link. Okay, just give me 1 second. We can discuss it. Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna work with this guy. It's calling UX Ninja, and he has a lot of followers. You can see here, 83,000 followers, and it's like stuff. And they are doing like that. I mean, he's doing like that. How can I say to you? Website, for example, he's driving this website himself. You know, we need to really good website to also go to VC and capitals, and to show our what we are doing, you know. And for example, I'm gonna show also dApps website here, but unfortunately my internet connection is not very good. For example, AI learning language applications, them also he made it. But all right. Okay, just give me 1 second. It is logging. For example, this is dApps website. Also, I'm gonna explain how much is it, the cost of the website. All right. Please open. Yeah, it is a little bit hard for me because of my internet connection, unfortunately. But I think you can see here a little bit, I mean, if you wish, I can share this website link to. For example, it is a dApps Launchpad website. It is actually a very good website because this guy is driving himself to all UI UX. I mean, UI to also makes this website is making for the special for the people. And how much this cost? Do you want to learn? Guys, I am asking you.
Yeah, how much is gonna
Hello?
be?
All right, let's stop to share our screen. Okay. I mean, I didn't take a offer from him yet, but I already talked with dApps because this guys referred to me, Maggot, and because these guys was working with them to make the websites designs, and they say to me he is making around mostly $3,000 or $3,500. What do you think? It is good money for to build our website very, very well? Oh, I am asking you, guys.
I mean, yeah,
3,000. He's making around $3,000 around to make this website. Franz, don't forget that this stuff was.
yeah, because we have like like when we see the web design, all this thing that we can build, yeah, for sure he can like create some good, we can buy like a package, like they say, oh, you're gonna create our
No,
website,
actually,
but also like
Mhm.
our brand image, like the banners and so on.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? Like
okay,
or even videos.
I understood you actually very well here. Actually, he is doing every stuff, every website by drawing with a pen, Apple pen. I mean, he is doing, for example, Astar Strike. He is drawing for Astar Strike something here, I mean, he's doing everywhere. Everything is with drawing. He's not buying any package to build it. You catch me?
No, it's not. I'm saying the package when I say is he's gonna create our brand image. Like we're gonna
Yeah,
give
I
you
got
like, so the banner, the things that we're gonna share in our videos. So then we're not gonna use like pre-built templates for videos and so on. So if we're gonna pay him $3,000, is not just for a website. It's like the whole package.
Yeah, it is a whole package, bro. I mean, I think actually, I mean, they say to me like that, and this guy is building this website in a couple days, not a couple days, but how can I say, in a 1 week.
Yeah, because I think this, because I understand this sector too. Most of these guys, they use already built templates. They can use Webflow, and then the part of like creating the images, maybe some videos. Okay, but most of the coding, the scripts, JavaScript, all this is already pre-built. Most of
Yeah,
them.
probably,
He's not
probably.
building a website from zero. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
probably it's like that. Actually, I mean, I am thinking to work with him, but also we need to take a meeting from him. But Franze, maybe you can share with our daily meeting text. This one also can put this link here, and we can also discuss with our community to spend our 3,000 or around like that stuff, and to here. Okay. All right. It is very good, actually. Let's see, because I really want to have a good website. Also, you too, right? because our project is some complex. If we're gonna have a very basic and very useful website, it can be better, right?
Yeah, no, I agree. Like if it's all the package, like the brand image, like the banners, the videos, I think is going to help a lot. And also, eventually, I don't know if he has some experience, but he can help us maybe on the UI UX for Fearlaus. So this guy
Yeah,
has experience on this.
yeah, actually, it can be very good. Okay, let's take a meeting with him and talk with him. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, well, I think we talked everything, but I need to ask some specific questions here because Franze wasn't here yesterday, and we are asking our send me the link. Okay, I'm gonna send to you after meeting, daily meeting. Just give me 1 second because hey guys, I actually need to mention, or Franze, you can mention too. We have a weekly schedule, and we are also writing daily report on our weekly schedule. Okay, to show we are doing good or not. Okay, I am gonna start to ask my questions. All right, I'm gonna start to ask some questions to Franze and Gustavo and Ahmet. Actually, I don't need to ask Gustavo. We already talked with Gustavo, and to be honest, Gustavo is still, uh, working as a chief operating officer, and he's talking with everyone to make a business partnership. It is why actually I don't wanna talk with Gustavo because we need to be careful. We shouldn't share our feature partnership here. Okay, right? I'm true. We shouldn't share.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay, Franzi, I am asking to you. Just give me 1 second. I am checking something. Okay, I texted you preparing report about the last 1 month all daily meeting. Did you prepare? By the way, Franz is texting. Maybe you can't hear him because he is with her daughter, his daughter. Preparing report about last 1 month all daily meeting. Because if you can prepare, if you didn't, okay. If you didn't prepare it, don't worry because we need to share monthly report, and I'm gonna use this one. Okay. All right. I'm just trying to what I can share with the community here. Preparing guideline for ambassador. Leo doesn't manage there anymore because I am not managing here. For what? To also don't care. Don't control the ambassador program because we are really trying to separate each things. Gustavo, Franz, I think you prepared it already. You can, yeah. Yes, he said yes, prepared as a texting. By the way, just open your microphone and talk because to show yourselves, your picture to your people. Just say hello.
Hello, my daughter is sleeping on my side. Sorry.
Okay, thank you. Because people are gonna start to think I am crazy. Okay, preparing. Okay, you already prepared it. You can share if you like it. Don't worry. I won't say anything. Also, let's check it. Okay, I am not talking about our MAA because but you're gonna check. You can check this MAA stuff easy way because which is the context here. It is why I'm not sharing again because we're gonna share when we're gonna take this meeting. It's I don't wanna give false information to people here. Okay, okay. All right. Another thing. Yeah. Franz is still saying to us, we are concluding the first month end of the turnover of the Neurolanche Ambassador program. At the beginning of each month, Ambassador will submit a memorial of their actions as an Ambassador via GitHub report. The Neurolanche core team will access these activities to determine the correct payment amount for the period. In a short time, our Ambassador program will be fully open to public and transparent. Yeah, I mean, is a Neurolanche, we can also, we collected a lot of head ambassadors. Actually, they are very good guy. And also, you can mention this stuff on the draft. I mean, texting. I mean, also we're gonna open our ambassador program to everyone. If anyone gonna apply it, they can apply, and we're gonna discuss as a core team. Probably we're gonna discuss also with ambassador, because we also carrying the ambassador ideas here. Also, we can discuss with our community too, to who can be our ambassadors. Okay, and also preparing a document. What should be our next focus area to growing our, I think it is, our community, talking with dApps for Galaxy event. Gustavo, it is yours. I mean, sorry, Franz, it is yours. Yeah, actually, we're gonna start the Galaxy events in a couple of weeks, and also you can share this one, Franz, because it is important to talk about it. In a couple weeks, I won't share this time which day we're gonna share it, okay, before it. And in couple of weeks, you can write also it in texting. In a couple of weeks, we're gonna share our AI applications, use case, and real trailer. And when we're gonna share this trailer, people can apply the test demo version to, how can I say to you? Use these applications. We're gonna share with this video with one Galaxy events. Also, we're gonna share our testnet applications form, or like that something. People gonna apply the tests, think these applications, and we're gonna launch the Ainsworth. How can I say it? Who is still in testnet in the future? We're gonna share it, and as a Neurolanche, we're gonna launch our AI applications a couple months. And in a couple of weeks, we're gonna see our real trailer about Neurolanche. Why I'm saying real trailer? Because we're gonna mention everything here. How we are building, how we are using this AI, where we're gonna use. You catch me? We are still working on this process also to show people. You got me, Franza? You can share also. Yes, Franza. They're gonna help us on this process. Okay, thank you so much. Today, I think we talked everything. Ahmet, do you want to add something?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, I'll say that we are just building, and that's it.
Okay. Still, time is at 3:15 a.m. I am still in Turkey, because I come to Turkey before my second semester starting, and I'm gonna back to Italy in a couple of weeks. Actually, when I'm gonna back, my lessons start again. Unfortunately, my lessons wasn't very good last semester because of Neurolanche. And after this process, I'm gonna focus to my lessons and also Neurolanche. But I'm gonna give controlling mechanism for Gustavo, Franz, Ahmet, and also some bizdev from the dApps. They're gonna help us on this process. And I'm gonna just focus to building stuff, writing white paper stuff with Ahmet, also sharing this stuff in a public. And I'm gonna join our meetings to talk about our stuff. And it is like that. I'm really wanna be also graduate from my master to go to PhD. And File also, you can share this one, Franz. Okay, please. Okay, I don't know. You wanna share it, but Fireless gonna be my thesis project. It's gonna be my thesis project. I'm gonna collect human data, behavior data, to make analysis how AI can learn these data. Actually, Fireless AI application is not my project. I'm gonna use this AI project, the applications to take a how can I say, collect data to write my thesis project, But I have a little bit time to make it. I have 1 semester to start it. Let's see if I really wanna be graduate on this university, because I am still studying with your helping. I mean, my income is coming from Astar Network Agency. It is why I love Astar Network Agency program and tender guys who is from the core team Astar, because they are actually helping me to study my university. Okay, Franze, do you want to add something? Or Gustavo or Ahmet? Okay, Gustavo, do you want to add something?
No, I think it's good that we're all the things that we're building. Also, we're focusing a lot in transparency. That's why Leo show, our dashboard that we're creating, Notion. Everything is going to be there. All the NFT transactions volume, the Astar Strike EVM and WebAssembly contracts, the business contracts we did with Illuminate. So you can go there. There's a toggle and there's a link for each one of them. And also we're gonna open our GitHub activities. And if you want to, people that are listening to us, you can actually have access there with embedded videos for every single daily meeting that we're doing, so you can see all of them there too. It's gonna be like the Neurolanche Dashboard, you know what I mean? Everything can be very transparent, and 1 click, you have everything there.
Yeah, thank you so much, Gustavo. Please, Franz, also mention this stuff, okay? You don't need to mention dashboard yet, but I mean, you can text it, okay? Also, Ahmet, thank you so much. Franz, thank you so much. Gustavo, thank you so much. Please don't leave from the meeting, because I need to record it. I mean, stop the record, then we can discuss and we can go to finish our white paper 2.0 for ZK Strike, or formal name, Astar Strike. Have a good day, guys. Let's keep our motivation good, because we are working too much, and if we can lose our motivation, we can lose everything. We have a very big vision. What is it? To finish our old project, to launch our Nerox token, to go to top 100 maybe in the future. We don't know yet, but we have a very big vision. We are believing ourselves. We're gonna build this stuff with Neurolanche community. Maybe you can also mention this stuff. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you soon see you tomorrow in our daily meeting. And probably we're gonna have each Sunday our weekly meeting. Also, we're gonna invite our developer team. We're gonna show how we are building actually this activity. Also, we're gonna show every step of the building, coding stuff. Maybe Ahmet gonna also take a recording when he is doing the smart contracts. Also, he can explain all smart contracts when to open it in a couple of weeks, because we are just still focusing to finish our white paper. Then after this white paper, actually we're gonna be more free to developing side, and you can see our each developing stuff, each smart contracts developing. When we are building our everything, we're gonna show you each step. When we are coding, also we're gonna show it. Franz, also please mention it end of this text, okay? Thank you so much. This stuff, the building stuff. Okay, have a good day, guys. Let's back to white paper 2.0 to finish it the launch Friday. Okay, just give me 1 second. I am finishing my recording.